Okay, it's a game changer here. This I bought from Walmart. It's one of those ice pack things. I mean, it works, but it doesn't do a lot. Now this, we've got it in our wall unit here. Nice and easy. We did the long way up. And I'm telling you right now, this whole room is now totally cold. And we just started it. This is the first day using it. We're hoping it's gonna continue on in the back here. I live in South Lake Tahoe, and it gets to be like not super duper hot, but definitely not comfortable hot. As you can tell, it's very quiet. And I've just been using fans everywhere, which is crazy. So this is amazing, and it looks really like just nice. It looks modern, very classic, very cool.